Day One is a premium journaling app designed to create rich multimedia journal entries. It supports photos, audio, video, and text, allowing users to document moments in detail. The app offers end-to-end encryption to keep your entries private and features like automatic metadata tagging, location, and weather integration. Its elegant interface encourages daily writing with reminders and customizable templates. Day One also supports exporting entries in multiple formats and syncing across Apple devices seamlessly. However, it is primarily optimized for iOS and macOS with limited Android support and requires a subscription for full feature access. Ideal users are those who want a sophisticated journaling experience with robust security and multimedia options, especially Apple ecosystem users. Journey is a versatile journaling app built for cross-platform use, supporting Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and even web browsers. It offers a clean, straightforward interface focused on quick and easy entry creation. Journey supports photos, videos, and rich text formatting, with cloud syncing through Google Drive for seamless access anywhere. It includes mood tracking, calendar views, and export options in PDF and docx formats. While Journey lacks some of Day One's advanced privacy features and design polish, it excels in accessibility and simplicity. The app offers a free tier with essential features and a premium subscription for advanced capabilities. Journey suits users who want a flexible journaling app that works across multiple devices without being tied to a specific ecosystem. Choosing between Day One and Journey depends on your priorities. Day One is perfect for users invested in the Apple ecosystem who want a feature-rich, secure, and beautifully designed journal. Its multimedia support and privacy features stand out but come with a subscription and limited Android support. Journey shines for users needing cross-platform flexibility and straightforward journaling without sacrificing core features. It offers broad device compatibility and easy cloud syncing but lacks some of Day One's polish and encryption. For creative journaling with rich media and privacy, Day One leads. For accessible, no-fuss journaling across devices, Journey is the better fit. Choose Day One if you value advanced features, strong privacy, and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Opt for Journey if you need a simple cross-platform journal that syncs effortlessly across all your devices. Both apps excel but cater to different journaling styles and needs. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.